I almost resetted my computer trying to do this. So first open up your web browser, look up Rufus Portable and go download that, then grab your ISO image for whatever you want to install. I'm too lazy to record this entire video. So then plug in a USB stick into your computer. I'm just gonna plug in this one. Mine is G. Okay, we're gonna properties, redistribution, open, tools, check, scan and repair. Wait, no, I need this option. Okay, I need this option. So this one is S. Change settings, weekly, obviously, okay, cruise, no, this one, okay, done. Okay, everything looks good, so, now, open Rufus Portable, and, okay, and go grab your ISO image. I got lucky, mine actually installed. Okay, now go select your USB image. Multiple partitions. F and G. That's why. Because I'm stupid. That's why it wouldn't work. Okay, find your ISO image. Mine's in my desktop. In my ISOs, only burn this one. So you want to make sure you don't really mess with any of this. Just hit start. Yes, yes. Now, both of your drives are going to disappear after this. Keep in mind, you will not be able to hold any data if you do this. If you have any data on the drive, it's gone. So just keep that in mind. Jesus Christ, this is going to take a while. Okay, I'm going to cut the video here. Okay. I was going to edit that, but I'm too lazy. Okay, alright, it's done. Now, just hit close, and when was this game made? 2001? Oh. Okay, now, go ahead and go plug it into your computer. And then, once you're plugged into the computer, what you want to do is spam whatever you do to get into your boot sector. It's mostly going to be F2, F12, F11. And on some computers, it's F6, F10, and F4. You just want to spam literally all those keys once you boot your computer. And you'll be taken to a boot menu. Once you're in that boot menu, you want to find the drive called Pop OS Installer, or UFIE Pop OS USB whatever you have your drive as. Mine was as F and G, so mine's gonna be F:/G:. So once you do that, you're going to hit the drive. Well, not actually hit it, but like select it and hit boot. Then, Then go ahead and you'll be taken to the installation. I would recommend getting a separate hard drive to keep like your main OS, the one that you used to have on your computer, because it will erase everything. So you can just like stick in a USB stick or something and just keep everything on there, and then just get another USB stick and like put your apps and like everything on one USB stick for your apps and like code, like all that other crap, and one for your OS. I would say doing that. That's what I'm doing on this computer. Let me show you. See, I keep all my downloads and like all that onto this. And then if I want to, actually use my main computer, I have this. But now, what you want to do now is unplug your USB stick after Pop! OS is done installing. Well, once it's done installing, reset the computer. Actually, go over here, on top of the screen, tap on the reset button, and tap on that. Then, when your computer is completely shut off, you want to remove the USB stick and just keep it out until your OS fully boots. Then you can format it and install Windows on it or something. Yeah. Alright, hope you guys like this video. That being said, bye. Oh. Yeah, that's kind of an issue. Alright.